The moment you see students working on robots and building on its own, at that moment you feel this is what teaching is all about. When the students put their effort to solve a problem, and after when the problem is solved, you see a smile on their face and they say, "Ma'am, the robot is working," and this gives you actually a wow feeling.
When you're told to do something to solve a problem statement, you just put your whole effort in it. And when you see the actual robot working, the feeling is just unbelievable. It's just amazing.
Our main focus is to provide knowledge to children for technology and engineering. It's not basically just the knowledge, but we want to give them first-hand experience and we want to give them basic practical knowledge as well, which is possible through robotics. We want to make them practically aware of the things, rather just the bookish language. We don't want them, we want to give them a hands-on experience, which is possible with the help of robotics. As it is, it's in hardware, and the hardware which is teaching them mechanics, and they're learning by doing basically. And in the robotics, it is not just mere learning at all. It's like when the learning is happening, it's with the help of like the abstract knowledge of mathematics. Also becomes very interesting and easy for them to know.
As a teacher, my success is judged by the success of students. The thing I need to do is to engage them, and if they are engaged in a task, the only thing required is to help them, guide them. When the students come to the robotics lab, they do not know anything about robotics. The manuals provided by MITBots guide them from the very basic concepts to ultimate level of engineering and technology. The robots are created to suit each and every class of students. The students do not know what programming is, but MITBots has provided GUI programming interface which has to easily understand the algorithms and implement them.
Robotics is a self-learning, project-based, analytical-based, problem-solving. It teams them together, and I think it's a very good tool in the hands of the school and the teachers. And as the robotics people provide with manuals also, it's very easy for the teachers, and it's in a better way they teach well to our students.
The programming involved is even able to explain the concepts used in the industries. We have several robots in the lab which have industrial concepts and students easily understand it. This is possible because of the manuals provided by MITBots. In fact, even for the teachers to guide the faculty, there are TTT provided which help the teachers to conduct the class and explain the concept easily to the students.
With robotics, it is very easy for us to understand the concepts of maths and science. Robotics helps us to develop problem-solving skills and generates our interest in science and technology. Through robotics, we can do much more and many more things. Robotics is the way for students.
With robotics, I can implement my ideas, and you can see that here are some robots of different shape and size. It's very interesting and amazing. I never miss any class of my robotics.
Sometimes we even surprise our faculty, and ma'am says, "This is very amazing. We have designed various robots here and participated in competitions. This all is possible because of collaborative learning and teamwork. I really love robotics."
Robotics is just not for higher students, it's for everybody. It is wide in nature and suits all of them. All the students are not same. They don't understand in the same way. They provide you feedback, they communicate with their elders and do collaborative learning in order to solve the problem. The manuals and content provided by MITBots and its concepts of robotics is very unique, practical and project based, which create interest among the students, and most important, They develop team skills, logical and problem-solving capabilities. We also have smart classes, but we felt that robotics are better than them.
Smart class is there. Smart class is there in front of them. It's been running, but as I said, the hands-on experience, the way you touch, you feel the robots, that is missing in the smart class. That is something which the children don't get an experience of, where robotics is providing them both ways.
Robotics has definitely added a new dimension for my students at school. They are all unique when it comes to idea, and robotics has given them that platform to implement these ideas. I'm sure whichever field they may choose in the future, engineering, medicine, construction or whatever, if anybody would ask them a question later on as to what something different did they do at school, I'm sure they would say robotics.
Just thinking that when we were young, when we were studying in school, I never understood physics at that time. Just because we just had to read the books and we just have to mug up all the things. But now when we are learning them practically and we are applying them, then it is more clear to us, and for the students also it is beneficial.